When creating content, the video quality and depth should be the main focus of creators, no matter what, whether you're sharing fun clips with friends or building a serious YouTube brand. The truth is that poor quality videos simply don't get the attention they deserve, with the rise of platforms that reward crisp, polished visuals. Using a tool like an AI video upscaler helps you drastically improve the look, feel, and engagement of your content without the need for you to be an editing expert. From Facebook family memories to full-blown content campaigns, better visuals lead to better performance. The power of AI video upscalers lies in their ability to analyze every frame of your footage and intelligently fill in missing details, reduce noise, and enhance clarity. By using machine learning models trained on massive datasets, these AI tools recognize textures, faces, objects, and lighting patterns to rebuild your videos in ultra-sharp 4K and 8K resolutions. Whether you're dealing with low-light issues, shaky hands, or aging footage, AI video enhancers handle it all with precision and speed. The best part is that you don't need to spend hours tweaking settings or mastering complicated software, as these tools offer one-click solutions for stabilizing shaky clips, correcting colors, upscaling resolution, and even adding realistic voiceovers and captions. In this video, we'll explore with you the top 5 AI video enhancers that will help you bring your creative ideas into high-definition reality using the smartest AI technology. So stick around to find the perfect tool tailored differently according to your needs and preferences. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like this, and also check the description below to try any of these tools for free. If you sign up using the link below, you will also get amazing discounts on pricing if you decide to upgrade to a paid plan on any of the software. Now let's dive in as we share with you the top 5 best AI video upscalers currently available on the market right now. Number 5. FlexClip. Best for do-it-yourself video creators and educators. If you're a do-it-yourself video creator or someone dipping their toes into content creation, FlexClip offers the most user-friendly and robust AI-powered video enhancement platform tailored specifically for your needs. Unlike more complex editing tools that come with a steep learning curve, FlexClip combines an intuitive drag-and-drop interface with powerful enhancement features to help you produce polished, professional-looking videos without needing prior editing experience. Whether you're building an explainer video for your online course, a family montage, or a YouTube tutorial, FlexClip's AI-enhanced capabilities are designed to give you the most value with the least friction. One of the standout features of FlexClip, the AI-powered color correction and auto-grading, which adjusts the tone, brightness, and saturation in your footage to give it a cleaner, cinematic look. For instance, if you're recording a class lecture using a webcam, FlexClip will automatically optimize skin tones and background contrast for a more professional appearance. The text-to-video functionality makes it easy to convert scripts or lesson notes into animated videos, while subtitle synchronization ensures accessibility and improved engagement. This is especially crucial for educators reaching multilingual or hearing-impaired audiences. Additionally, the FlexClip GPU acceleration ensures faster rendering, letting you edit and export high-quality videos without delays, even if you're on a standard laptop. Number 4. Pollo AI. Best for surveillance and security footage enhancement. For those who work in surveillance, law enforcement, or forensic analysis, Pollo AI's focus on technical enhancement over stylistic edits makes it the perfect tool for enhancing clarity and details in critical video footage like surveillance, dashcam, and even drone footage used in critical review. What sets Pollo AI apart from traditional video editors is its laser focus on clarity, detail recovery, and forensic accuracy, which is essential in scenarios where every pixel could be vital. Whether you're working with dashcam footage, low-light security camera clips, or courtroom evidence, Pollo AI's advanced deep learning models helps you uncover and refine details that would otherwise be lost in noise or motion blur. This isn't just a cosmetic enhancement, it's a visual reconstruction for investigation-grade insight. One of the core functionalities that makes Pollo AI so effective is its frame rate interpolation, which can intelligently convert choppy 15 FPS or 30 FPS footage into a smooth 60 FPS or even 120 FPS. This is incredibly valuable when you're trying to analyze fast motion, like identifying a suspect in a getaway scenario or clarifying events in a scuffle caught on camera. Equally impressive is the AI-based stabilization, which corrects handheld or shaky footage from body cams or drones, providing a smoother visual that's easier to analyze and present in reports. Pollo AI also supports deinterlacing, especially when working with analog or older digital video systems that record in interlaced formats. Additionally, features like artifact removal and pixel interpolation help clear up heavy compression artifacts or missing data, which are common in security videos, like cases when footage has been transferred across multiple platforms or compressed to save storage space. Whether you're building a chain of evidence, clarifying incidents for insurance purposes, or supporting internal investigations, Pollo AI equips you with the forensic-level clarity needed to turn raw, imperfect footage into actionable intelligence. Number 3. Neural. Best for frame-by-frame video restoration and upscaling. If you're working with old home videos, historical archives, or low-quality footage that needs to be brought back to life, Neural stands out as a perfect tool for advanced and crisp video restoration and upscaling. Unlike generic video editors, Neural specializes in reviving degraded or low-resolution footage using AI trained on large-scale visual datasets. Whether you're trying to restore a VHS wedding video, upscale black and white 1930s film clips, or improve pixelated digital downloads, Neural delivers breathtaking results that often feel like stepping through a time machine. With the Neural AI upscaling feature, you can boost your footage from 240 or 480 pixels to full 4K or even 8K resolution, without the blur or artifact you'd get from standard resizing. This is especially useful if you're digitizing family tapes for modern TVs or re-releasing archival footage for streaming. Another standout functionality is the AI face enhancement, a very useful tool if you want to bring out expressions or identities lost in time. For example, you can use this tool to enhance facial details in decades-old school footage or ancestral family clips with subtle precision, using a single prompt. And if you're dealing with severely damaged or flickery film, the scratch and flicker removal tools help restore visual stability and flow, making your videos watchable and emotionally impactful again. Whether you're preserving family memories, revamping content for a historical documentary, or upgrading old media for a modern audience, Neural provides an unmatched combination of fidelity, automation, and ease of use, making it truly the gold standard for AI video restoration and upscaling. Number 2. Simplified AI. Best for social media video automation. Simplified AI has proven to be the most efficient AI video enhancer for social media content due to its powerful automatic optimization and enhancement features. Designed with platform-native optimization in mind, Simplified AI goes beyond just video editing to offer a full suite of AI-powered enhancements tailored for TikTok, Instagram, YouTube Shorts, Facebook, and beyond. What makes Simplified especially appealing is how it lets you create and optimize content quickly without sacrificing visual quality, which is perfect for the high-volume, fast-paced nature of online content production. You will also love the Simplified AI automatic color correction and grading, which ensures your videos consistently look professional, no matter the lighting conditions or device used to shoot. For example, if you're filming a behind-the-scenes clip on your phone, the AI will enhance saturation, contrast, and skin tones to meet platform standards. Simplified AI also includes dynamic contrast and brightness adjustment to help you adapt a single video for multiple platforms with varying screen sizes and color dynamics. Another standout tool is the Simplified AI-powered reframing and cropping, which automatically adjusts your video to vertical, square, or horizontal formats, saving you hours of manual editing when you're repurposing long-form content for stories or reels. Lastly, the Simplified AI batch processing makes it easy to schedule and edit multiple videos at once, which is a game changer for social media managers juggling multiple campaigns or content calendars. Number 1. InVideo AI, best for content creators and marketers. Suppose you're in search of an all-in-one AI video enhancement tool that balances ease of use with professional-grade capabilities. InVideo AI's ability to turn scripts into ready-to-publish videos aligns perfectly with creators who want to create stunning, engaging videos, with fast, intelligent editing and creative control without deep technical input. With its AI-driven workflow, InVideo AI takes your raw ideas, scripts, or even simple text prompts and turns them into polished video content, streamlining the entire production process. You will love the InVideo AI automatic scene detection and visual segmentation feature, which breaks your videos into logical parts, saving you hours of manual cutting and organizing. The platform also includes AI voiceover options with various tones, accents, and languages, which is perfect if you need to create multilingual content or avoid recording your own audio. With the InVideo AI background removal and smart object isolation feature, you can seamlessly produce brand-consistent, studio-quality visuals for your product demos and brand stories. Color correction and tone adjustment are also automatically applied to match the mood and brand style of your content. InVideo AI also features AI-powered video sharpening, which is perfect for refining low-resolution or slightly blurry clips, making them crisp and clear for platforms like YouTube or LinkedIn. Creators and marketers can even use the AI-powered caption generation to not only improve accessibility, but also boost SEO and viewer retention on platforms like YouTube and Instagram. With a user-friendly interface and a focus on speed and automation, InVideo AI helps you elevate your video production without needing advanced editing skills, making it a perfect tool for marketers, educators, and content creators looking to scale quality content efficiently. In conclusion, whether you're reviving old family videos, polishing YouTube content, or sharpening security footage, choosing the best AI video enhancer comes down to finding a tool that fits your unique needs. With powerful features like AI upscaling, noise reduction, automatic color correction, and smart scene detection, you no longer need to be a pro editor to produce crisp, professional-grade content, as these tools do the heavy lifting for you using machine learning and neural networks. You can check the link in the description below to try any of these AI video enhancers for free, and also get amazing discounts on pricing if you decide to upgrade to a paid plan. If you enjoyed this video, kindly like, leave a comment, share with friends, and also ensure to hit the subscribe button for future uploads.